What do you got?
Cookie?
How do you put it together?
Cookie?
Oh, it's called an Oreo.
Oreo.
Oreo cookie.
No cookie? Wow. Cheese.
Say cheese. Yes, I'm videotaping you. Can you show me how you eat your cookie?
Yes.
Let me see.
Yes.
So how do you eat an Oreo cookie?
Oh.
Chew it up. That's a big cookie you put in your mouth. Let me see. Are you still chewing it?
No.
Let me see. Show me. Open your mouth. Are you going to eat that too? Gonna taste it with your finger? Let me see.
I'm making noise.
What?
I'm making noise.
Yes, Pop Pop's making noise. He's snoring a little bit.
Baby shark.
No, he's not gonna wake up right now.
Yeah.
Why don't you eat your cookie? Is it good?
Yeah.
Pop Pop's snoring.
What?
Pop Pop's snoring.
What?
That means he's breathing out his nose. He's going. Can you do it?
Okay, that's wrong.
Did you drop your cookie?
Wrong.
Oh, now it's dirty. Good. Now we can't eat it. Here, put it in my hand. Ew. All right, go ahead. I mopped the floors today. You can have it.
I hear that.
You hear it?
It's ringing. I hear that.
Yes, you do. Papa snores, and you know what? Daddy snores too.
I say that.
Is Papa funny?
Yes. I hear that.
I know you do.
Another one. Wait.
I think he stopped.
That?
Yeah. Are you going to eat that whole cookie?
Yeah.
It's 10 o'clock. You're going to get sugar in your body.
Uh-huh.
You crack me up. Is it good? You want me to take it?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Put it in my hand. Spit it out. Take it out. Oh, jeez. Here. Come here. Let me get it. Here. You don't like that part? Okay.
Well.
You just like the chocolate part? Addison. Can't believe you don't like the best part. Okay. Okay, I'll follow you. Okay, you want to wash hands? Okay.